Hello everyone, MPX AUTOS James here in Sydney. How are you today? In this video, we would like to share how to um, fix the problem of the Apple CarPlay connection suddenly stop working or suddenly has been struggling to get back on the head unit CarPlay. This can be applied in most of the time, and it also can be applied for most of the kind of the head unit. However, we found it is very common and it is very useful to apply this trick in the um, Android head unit that we are supplying. Now, the symptom here is that normally you come to the car and with our system you can turn on the car and it automatically finds your iPhone and bring it on the screen with the Apple CarPlay by the wireless system. Very easy and smooth. However, one morning or one time you come back to the car next day and suddenly your phone stopped connecting, or your phone trying to connect and it couldn't connect to the head unit, so you cannot use CarPlay anymore. And here we go. This is the very first step that you will follow. Check the step one. Check if your phone is with an outdated firmware. Why it happened? Because even you regularly update the firmware, you still can have the outdated firmware right after the night time, because at that time Apple just simply roll out the new firmware for the phone, and it might have the automatic function to recognize that your new firmware is not there, and it gets struggled back to the system. So here we go into your iPhone, go into the setting, and then you will go into the general. Okay, and from here you will go to, either you go straight to the software update, or you can go in, if you already know about what firmware is current one, you can go into the about. Okay, and then you will see, okay, my iPhone say it is iOS 18.11. Now let's see if it find a new software update. So what you do is you go into the software update and you will find the new update if it is possible. Alrighty, so this is the new update that we are talking about. It will show up on your phone that there's a new iOS version, the size of the iOS version 1.66 gigabyte download, and it will say update now or update tonight. So I recommend that just click on update now first. Before doing this, you make sure that you should have the strong wireless connection, or you have plenty of data in your plan to do the update now. And I click on update now and put in the password, and then the iPhone starts trying to say update request, and it will start doing the update. It will try to download the firmware from Apple server. So how long it will take, it depends on the internet speed, and it depends on the phone connection at that time. So it might take around 25-30 minutes in total from the time that we start to the end of the update. And you can see it's about an hour remaining. Oh, I don't like that much, but it actually is, it will be about that. So spend time, make sure you have the power charger enough for the phone, or plug into the charger, and also you have enough time and good speed of internet. So just wait until it's a update, and following, and wait for the phone to do the full update of the firmware, and then you go to the second video that we have in our channel, to show the second step of how to clear the digital cache and memory cache before we reconnect to the head unit system. And after those two steps, all the time we find out that the issue was gone with the iPhone, and you can come back and connect to the head unit system easily. And yep, we got customer calling back time over time with the same system, with the same problem like that from the iPhone, and we do the same two-step, you know, update and clear the cache, and it works perfectly after then. Okay, so thanks for watching, and if you have any question, just let us know. See you then. See, because I'm far from the internet connection now, so my update will take a bit of time. I should bring the phone to the internet router closer, and we'll get it update faster. Anyway, it will update soon after.